In the 16th century, the Swiss physician and alchemist Paracelsus introduced a central concept in the field of toxicology.
T-minus 2 minutes.
To paraphrase, Paracelsus said that the dose makes the poison. Or, in other words, anything can be toxic, even something as simple and essential as water. Most chemicals have a beneficial use and can be used safely when they are used as intended. But when those same chemicals are spilled or are used in an uncontrolled manner, they can quickly create acute or chronic health problems for responders. Toxic chemicals can enter our bodies through inhalation, ingestion, dermally, or by injection. That's why it's important to review safety data sheets and product labels that identify how a chemical can enter your body so that the correct personal protective equipment can be chosen. Because inhalation is the most common way for toxins to enter the body, OSHA has established permissible exposure limits, or PELs, and NIOSH has established recommended exposure limits, or RELs, to help responders determine when and what types of respiratory protection will be needed. Chemicals can have both acute and chronic effects on the body, and the effects can be different for everyone, depending upon age, gender, pre-existing health conditions, metabolic rates, and other factors. Acute exposures will be evident immediately or within a few hours. An example of this is immediately coughing when exposed to a strong chemical vapor. Chronic exposures develop with repeated exposure to a chemical, or sometimes from a large single dose. Chronic exposures have delayed health effects that can take months or even years to develop. Chronic toxins target one or more organs, and the effects are sometimes irreversible. Taking the time to understand the acute and chronic hazards that a chemical presents before rushing into a response helps to prevent avoidable injuries and deaths from chemical exposure. Check out our other 2-minute drills for more ways to identify hazards and keep you and your team safe during spill response.